today gonna be making a video on my headliner. You guys have been saying how do I do the side pillars? They're just fabric, like that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna show you guys where I got my fabric right now. So if you guys stay tuned, I'll see you guys in a bit. Yes. What are those, dude? Dude. So quick little tip, if you guys are coming here by yourself, the first thing you need is tape measure. You're gonna want to measure your headliner. I recommend measuring it from like the length and the width, so that you know, like, whatever material you get, you can lay it out and have the assistant or cashier, they'll normally, you know, measure it for you. That way you can know that if it's the right size or the smaller size, because some of these, some have like a smaller width, and most of these have like a bigger width. So it is a good thing to measure your headliner before you come into the store, and then next thing you know, you get a short material and it doesn't cover your headliner. That's a mistake that I did about a year ago. So the material that I got was this, and I'm gonna actually measure it right now. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So good thing I measured it, so it's a bit short. By the way, like, this is the best place to come to because they normally have discounts, and if you download the app, they also have coupons on there, so you know you're saving money. So it was like 20 bucks regular price, and I think it was like 40% off, and I got it for about $12, so not bad. So good thing about this car, it's really small and it's just like a few clips. You have two Phillips head right here. This, you basically pop the cover out and it should be like 2 screws underneath. This you either turn and pop out, or it just comes out, and then 2 screws this side. And after you do that, I think there's 1 screw in the back, about 2-3 screws in the back, because there's 3 clips right here. I'm not gonna film the whole process, but I'm pretty sure that's how you take the whole thing out, and I'll let you guys know once I take it out. So quick update. So you know this little tab right here that holds the visor, this is a pain to get out if you don't have like the right tools, or like me knowing how to remove visors and stuff. Like, I thought that you just twist it and pull it out, but in this case it has a little clip right here. As you can see, like, I was literally breaking it trying to get it out, but I'll just get a new one. What you do is you focus. There you go. You push maybe a flathead through this little groove, and you pop it down like you want to turn it, and you press this little tab right there, and then it's gonna pop down, but it's still gonna be in there, so you're gonna have to go around the back and try and pry it out from there. Let me see if I can show you guys what I mean. Okay, so I got a flathead. I'm gonna pop it out like that, and then from the back I'm gonna want to like basically just label it like that. Oh man, this is a pain to get out, bro. You basically want to like put something in the back and like play with it. There we go. It's basically a clip in the back. So there's a clip in the back, clip in the front. I could have done it better if I knew about this. I should have looked a video up. But yeah, just want to give you guys a tip before you guys possibly break your visor thing. So I'll see you guys once I get this out. Okay, so the headliner is out. It was pretty easy, except for the back clips. I didn't even know like they were that hard to pop out, and the front visors. Other than that, when you pull it out, you're gonna have your wires, and you just want to unclip them. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna do this different. Normally I take this whole thing off, but as you guys can see, like it's not even stripping or anything or peeling, so I'm just gonna paste the whole thing over it. It should work because I really don't have that much time doing all this, taking this off. Like it's literally on there, like there's no stripping, so there's no point of me taking it off, scrubbing the foam off just to put the fabric on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Fortunately, I don't have a second hand with me. I'd recommend you guys do this with the help of a friend or something, because laying this could be pretty easy. I've done this a few times, so I kind of, you know, understand the techniques that you should use. I won't be recording this because I'm the only person here that's doing this, so I'll just see you guys once I've laid everything on there and cut everything out, and I'll show you guys how it is once I'm done. So this is how the headliner came out. It's pretty good. It did come out to maybe half an inch short, I think. So yeah, this is how it came out. I'm not gonna show the imperfections at the edges because, well, this is how it is. It was just this much short, but it is my car, so I don't really have a problem with this. I could always rewrap it, and I'm probably gonna order some off maybe eBay or Amazon so I could get the right length for this. But yeah, this is how it is right now. I mean, it's not bad. I still have to touch up a couple stuff like wrinkles and stuff. I have to peel it up and put it back. So I'm gonna go do that really quick, and I'll see you guys once I'm ready to put it in the car. Alright guys, so everything is now done. I've already put everything back. I lost the screw for right there. Already put these two back on. I've been done. I was just eating some ice cream, so this is how it is. It looks pretty dope, to be honest. Like it really completes the side pillars. But let me know what you guys think about how this came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I read every comment. If you have any questions about how I did this, if I didn't put something in this video. You're more than welcome to drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the headliner. I'll answer all questions that you guys have. I don't know when I'll post another video, but I am trying to make these videos as constant as possible. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.